These faceless YouTube channels are earning serious money uploading YouTube shorts by making videos using only B-roll footage and by reusing content of longer form videos. In this video, I am going to show you 2 easy ways to create a lot of videos using a specific AI tool. But before we dive in, I would like to share why I came up with this idea. Ever since I was a young broker, I saw these amazing looking videos on YouTube. But unfortunately, since my video editing skills were not very good and to find good B-roll footage was pretty hard, I could never recreate those amazing videos. It would take me days and sometimes weeks to finish a project. But now with the help of AI, that is not necessary anymore, because AI can do most of those things for you, and I would like to show you how, so you don't have to struggle. You can become lazy like me and start uploading on your favorite platform. In this video, I will show 2 different methods to make videos using Pictory.AI. Let's start with the first method. For the first method, we need a script. For script writing, we'll use ChatGPT, and we are going to use that script to make it into a video using Pictory.AI. In my previous video, I showed you guys how I made my YouTube channel using ChatGPT and which niche I picked. I went with the fun facts niche, so that is what I am going to focus on in this video. So now we go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate some fun facts, this time about some countries. For this video, I like the fact about Australia. Then we will ask ChatGPT to write a 30 to 50 word story about that specific fact. Now tweak it to your liking or just copy it completely. For this video, I will copy it completely. Congratulations, you have done half the work in just minutes. Now we go to Pictory.AI. If you don't have an account, click on sign up, it's a free trial. Otherwise, just log in and click on script to video. Give your video a title and paste the script that ChatGPT has given you. Now put enters on where you think there should be different scenes. One of the things you have to do yourself, I know, it's hard work. Then, click on proceed and pick one of the templates from Pictory. For this one I will go with subtitle italics and choose your aspect ratio. If you want to make long form content, go for the 16:9, but my channel is for short form content, so we'll go with 9:16. Now Pictory will create your storyboard. And done, we created a video with 4 different scenes. The only thing I recommend is to check the scenes with what is told in your script. For example, I don't like scene 2, as if someone is going to run 2,300 kilometers. So instead, I chose a view of a city, to show that something is very large. When we are done with the scenes, we'll go to audio in the sidebar and click on voiceover. I like Tom's voiceover, so I go with him. If you want to change your music, you can also do that. Most of the time, I stick with the recommended music that is given. If you have done all these steps, preview your video. The preview starts generating. After generating, we will check our preview.
The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is an extraordinary natural wonder, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. It is a vibrant underwater ecosystem, showcasing an astonishing array of coral reefs, marine life, and breathtakingly beautiful colors. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a paradise for divers and nature enthusiasts.
After watching the preview, if you like the video, then click on download. The download will be generated, which takes quite some time, even for a video of only 22 seconds. So now we wait.
One eternity later.
Once Pictory.AI has generated the download, go to my projects and click on your video, download, and then MP4, or any other type of file you want. Now we have created one video in a matter of minutes. So that concludes method 1, using only ChatGPT and Pictory.AI you can create an insane amount of videos in no time. Next up is the second method. For method 2, we actually only need Pictory.AI and no other tools. The only other thing we will need is another video of which we can make smaller videos. Sounds vague, but let me explain. If you go to Pictory.AI and instead of clicking on script to video, you now click on edit videos using text. You can upload your own content in here, or you can use a video from YouTube. I will choose one from YouTube since I don't have something downloaded. Next we go to YouTube, and for the sake of this video, I will go with a video of the legendary Dr. Jordan B. Peterson. Now we look for the right video. I tend to look for videos of approximately 1 hour, since that generates me about 15 to 20 YouTube shorts in a maximum of 15 minutes. But if you would go for 3 hours worth of video material, you could generate up to 100 YouTube shorts in a maximum of just 1 hour. I will choose the video of the interview of Dr. Peterson with Piers Morgan, since I have already seen it, so it will be even less time consuming to scroll all the way through. Now I will copy the link from the search bar and paste it to Pictory.AI. Press proceed and Pictory will ask how many speakers there are. There are 2 speakers, but I recommend to choose one, since I do not want to split the scenes. I like to keep it one full video. Again, click on proceed and Pictory will start the transcription progress, which takes a few minutes. Once the transcription is finished, it will look like this. Below the video you can change your template for the subtitles. In the top, above the video, there are also 2 options to remove filler words and remove silences. Since my focus is to make shorts, I like to remove filler words and remove silences of more than 1 second, to keep everything fast-paced. You can see that they have been removed by the arrows in the text. That is where the filler words and silences used to be. Now I set the aspect ratio to portrait instead of landscape. Next, go to Highlights, above the text. We tell Pictory.AI to auto-highlight 50% of the video. And let Pictory create the highlights for you. Their AI will actively seek to highlight the most interesting parts of the video, and this is why I set it to 50%, so it does not miss anything, and with 75%, I feel like it highlights too much. And now the work begins. After it has created the highlights, the only thing I have to do is read the highlights and decide whether I think it is an actual highlight. If you feel something does not belong to the highlights, like the intro for this video, simply select it all and remove from highlights. Now if you think something should be highlighted, just do the same thing, but then click on Add to Highlights. If you have highlighted a piece of text, which you want to make into a video, select the highlighted part and click on Merge Sentences, otherwise it will make all those separate highlighted sentences into separate videos, but if we merge the sentences it will create one full video of that merged part. I will now finish this tedious part of the project and let's see how many YouTube shorts I can make out of 1 hour of video. Make sure to check everything once you are finished. Now go to Highlights and select them all. Click on Download Video Clips and Pictory.AI will prepare the downloads for you. This again takes some time, so grab a cup of coffee and wait. You will get a notification on your email as soon as it is finished. When the downloads have finished, go to My Projects and click on your latest project. I did not give this one a title, so it is the untitled one for me. Let's see the result. I have created 17 shorts using this method in only 15 minutes of time. Now download them all and there we have it, 17 videos in my new folder. If you are going to post videos like these, edit them by putting some pictures in, since otherwise monetization on YouTube will be difficult. So there you have it, using Pictory.AI we talked about 2 methods on how AI can generate videos for you. The first method using a script and the second method using another video. If you have any questions or general comments, leave a comment down below, and if you like the video please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye, have a great time!